Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Super quick, super easy makeup tutorial. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is moisturizing my face, and this is the Dr. Dennis Gross moisturizer. Now look how dirty I am. I'm going to take that off my shirt and stick it back on my face. No wasting here. I'm going to list all the products down in the description box. But this is a no foundation makeup look, so it's going to be super easy to accomplish, super quick, and foundation free so your skin can breathe. After moisturizing my face, I'm going to go in with a Radiance oil, and this is the Josie Maran Radiance Moonstone oil that can be used as a primer as well. Gives your face a nice radiance boost to it. Once I have that on, I'm going to go in and correct my dark circles and hyperpigmentation, and then I'm going to go in with this really awesome drugstore concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution contour or conceal and I don't know, I'll put it down below. It's epic! After I do that, I'm going to add some glow to my face. I'm using this Dewy glow stick just to add some, you see how it's just radiance, and it's just a nice wet healthy skin look on the sides of my face. Yeah, that's what it does. I'm going to take a little bit of powder, just a little bit, and I'm going to set my under eye area and places where I crease, but I still want to maintain that dewy glow of my skin. Now I'm going to go in with the eyes, and this is a new palette. This is the Naked Heat Petite palette, and it just came out, and it's perfect if you guys don't want a big bulky palette in your makeup collection and you want something for an everyday warm eye makeup look. This is perfect. I'm going to wash the orange on my eyelid, and then I'm going to go into the darker color and just run this down the outer corners of my crease. I'm going to blend that in, and I want to go for a more sultry, simple makeup look. Super easy, and it's very, very, very quick. This makeup look literally took me like 10 minutes. I'm going to go in with the darker color and just smoke out my bottom lash line. Now, how attractive is this face, you guys? It's amazing. I'm going to go in with some black cold liner, and I'm going to run this basically on my waterline and smudge it out just a tad bit just to add more sultriness to my eyes. Super simple, super pretty. And yeah, we're going to top it off with some mascara. Now we're going to go into the brows. If you'd like to see a detailed video of my brow routine, I will link that down in the description bar. Or box, sorry. But this is super easy, super quick. Just kind of give myself a nice oomph to my brows, wisp them out, make them thick and luscious. I'm going to go in with some Radiance highlighter, and this is the Lancome highlighting drops. Now, this is the perfect touch to make your skin look super healthy, super dewy. I'm going to go in with these lashes that I've used a million times. Super natural looking. And then I'm going in with this Bite Beauty multi-stick cheek, eye, and lip stick, and it's perfect. It's perfect for the girl on the go, for someone who doesn't know much about makeup but knows they want one product that does many things. This is it. So I put some on my cheeks, and then I'm going to put some on my lips as well, and I could have easily used this on my eye, but I wanted to try out the new palette. And what I did was I also set the lip color with some powder, and this is the eyeshadow palette that I used on my eyes. I just kind of dusted my lips to give me more of a matte flush, if you know what I mean. Next, I'm going to set my skin, lock everything in place, and this is the Urban Decay setting spray. That's it, guys. Super easy, super pretty, effortless makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on my page. Love you. Bye.